Are you curious about what the inside of your Moqui marble looks like? Well, this Moqui marble here came to us with a fracture, so it split open on its own and we were able to see what the inside holds. So as you may know, the outside of the Moqui marble is a hematite concretion, and then inside is a sandstone center. So once you look within, here you go. This is what it looks like inside the Moqui marble. If your Moqui marble does happen to naturally split, you can see that it's still very attractive and intriguing inside, and you can use it as two pieces for healing. You can find whole Moqui marbles, sets and pairs of Moqui stones at Satin Crystals. We also have a lot of information about what Moqui marbles are and how to use them in your healing rituals. As always, thank you for your positive energy here at Satin Crystals.